How to redeem gift on Steam. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to the official website of Steam. Here you can click on the install Steam and then get this app installed on your PC or laptop. If you already have it installed, you can simply open up the Steam app, or you can continue in web. Click on the login option, and over here you want to log into your account by entering all of your credentials such as your account name and password. Now click on the sign in option. Once you have been signed in and you receive a gift, you will receive an email containing a link that will open Steam to redeem your gift, or in the Steam client you will receive a notification at the top right corner that says you have a new gift as seen below. Now clicking on the one new gift will take you to the following screen where you must click either accept gift or decline gift. Once you click accept gift, the game will be added directly to your library. If you click on decline gift, and a refund will be issued to the original sender. When you add the game to your library, it will be listed in the library games list in Steam. Highlighting the game and clicking the install option will download the game into your computer. If the game is already in your library, you will receive a notification that says that it is already added and cannot be added again. If the game is not in your library, you will receive a pop-up notification confirming your actions, and if you have any duplicate games in your package, you will be notified that you will not receive any extra copies as seen below. If you attempt to add a game to your library that requires additional games that you don't own, you will receive an error message as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.